So welcome students. In this question you are asked to do this integration from minus pi to pi 2x times 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos square x. So let us systematically simplify this integral. So first you have integration from minus pi to pi. So whenever you have integration from minus a to a, you have to check for even and odd functions, because if you have an odd function here, the integral will directly become 0. So integration from minus pi to pi, first what I do is I'll split this function into two parts. 2x by 1 plus cos square x dx plus integration minus pi to pi 2x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. So 2x plus 2x sin x. I have separated this function. Why did I do this? So as you can see, this function will become an odd function. If you put minus x in the place of x, you get minus 2x by 1 plus cos square x. This is an odd function, hence this total integral will become equal to 0. But here, if you put minus x in the place of x, this will become minus x, this will become minus sin x. That minus and minus gets cancelled. So you are left with the same function. So this becomes 2 times 0 to pi 2x sin x. So again 2 is a constant. So 2x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. So if you take this as equal to I, this I is same as this. I is same as this. So now I is equal to 4 times integration from 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. So now again we'll use the next property, which is we can put pi minus x in the place of x. If you have 0 to a, I can put a minus x in the place of a. That is 4 times integration from 0 to pi minus x. Sin pi minus x is same as sin x. Cos pi minus x is minus cos x, but if you square it, it becomes plus cos square x. That is equal to 4 times pi times 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x minus 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. X sin x by 1 plus cos square x is nothing but I by 4. So I by 4. So I is equal to 4 times this minus I by 4. So 4 into minus I by 4 is I. So this implies 2I is equal to 4 pi times 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. So if you put pi minus x in the place of x, again the function is not changing this time, because sin pi minus x is sin x. 1 plus cos pi minus x whole square is same as 1 plus cos square x. So I can take it 2 common again. This implies 2i is equal to 8 pi times 0 to pi by 2 sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. This integral can be solved very easily. Nothing but let us take cos x is equal to t. Sin x dx will become minus dt. So this becomes 4. So this implies I is equal to 4 pi times. So I'm putting cos x is equal to t. Cos x is equal to t. So this limits become cos 0, 1 to 0 minus dt. So you have a minus dt by 1 plus t square. That's equal to minus 4 pi times dt by 1 plus t square tan inverse t from 1 to 0. That is minus 4 pi times 0 minus pi by 4. So this minus and minus gets cancelled. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. You're left with pi square. So the value of integration is pi square. Option B is the right answer.